Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your Visa card with Wells Fargo, detailed guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your Visa card with Wells Fargo, start by visiting the Wells Fargo website. Log into your Wells Fargo online banking account. Navigate to the Cards section of the main menu. Select Credit Cards from the drop-down options. Look for the option that says Upgrade your card. Click on it to see available upgrade options. Review the various Visa card options that you are eligible for. Consider factors such as rewards, interest rates, and benefits. Choose the Visa card that best fits your financial needs and lifestyle. Once you've made your selection, click on Continue. Fill out any required information to complete your upgrade request. This may include confirming your personal details and verifying your identity. Review the terms and conditions associated with the new card. If you agree, check the box to accept them. Submit your upgrade request by clicking the Submit button. After submission, you will receive a confirmation message on the screen. You may also receive an email confirming your upgrade request. Wait for a few days to see if you qualify for the new card. If approved, your new Visa card will arrive in the mail shortly. Once you receive your new card, activate it through the Wells Fargo website. After activation, begin enjoying the benefits of your upgraded Visa card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.